Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to start a successful YouTube channel. Are you ready to become the next big thing on the internet? First things first, let's talk about finding your niche. You can't be everything to everyone, so it's important to find what you're passionate about and stick to it. It could be anything from cooking to gaming to makeup. Just make sure you're genuinely interested in it. If you're not passionate about it, it's going to be tough to keep it going. Once you've found your niche, it's time to start creating content. But before you hit record, there's one important thing you need to keep in mind: quality over quantity. Don't just pump out videos for the sake of it, make sure they're well produced and engaging. And don't be afraid to invest in equipment, it'll make a huge difference in the final product. Now let's talk about growing your audience. Consistency is key, so make sure to post regularly. But don't just rely on YouTube's algorithm to do the work for you. Promote your videos on social media and engage with your viewers in the comments. And don't forget to collaborate with other YouTubers. It's a great way to reach new audiences. Finally, let's talk about monetizing your channel. There are plenty of ways to make money on YouTube, from sponsorships to ads to merchandising. But remember, your audience should always come first. Don't sell out for a quick buck, it'll hurt your reputation in the long run. So there you have it, folks. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to starting a successful YouTube channel. Remember to be passionate, consistent, and always put your audience first. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.